We are back and better than ever. Nick Prey here, founder and CEO of Better Boss, a proud certified implementation partner. Go to the marketplace, sort by highest rated, and check us out. We'll be right on top. We'd love to connect and help you grow, scale your business as efficiently as possible, and hopefully get you back home for dinner. All right, so JobTread has just released their AI connection tool via the MCP. This means that you can connect your favorite AI tool directly to your JobTread account, where it can work inside of it. It can build out dashboards, workflows, custom views, build out your budget, automate the changes in your scheduling. You kind of name it, it can do it, all right? But the most important thing is figuring out how to connect it. And then remember, prompting is key. There's a reason why that prompt engineers get paid hundreds of thousands of dollars. They know what to say, how to format it to get the end result that they want every single time. With enough practice, I think you can get there too. Now, we're looking at this and how to connect it. Hopefully you're connecting to Claude, because Claude is the most powerful AI tool on the planet, not ChatGPT, but that's up to you. So in this showcase, I'm going to show you how to connect your account to Claude AI and what to expect. What we're going to do here is you're going to open up your Claude account. All right. We're going to hit this plus button. You're going to see there's going to be these connectors. All right. We're going to hit manage connectors. All right. Now I'm going to go here. Now you can see we already connected our Better Boss Remodeling account. This is our demo account that really showcases what is possible to our prospects and our potential clients and what they want and how they want to customize their system. Basically what we're going to do here is we're going to hit plus. We're going to hit add custom connector. All right. I'm going to say Better Boss Remodeling 3. All right. Now what we can do is I'm going to get rid of this right here. This is going to be the core of that URL to connect. Now, after this, you can put anything in reference of your brand name, your company name, you name it. All right. I'm going to go like this. So I'm going to do Better Dash Boss Dash Remodeling Dash 3 will do, because I've already done 2, I think, and another test run. And then we're going to hit add. All right. Now this connect button is going to pop up. We're going to hit this connect button. All right. I'm going to minimize this, pull this over here. All right. Now we just want to make sure that we select our right account. Somebody Better Boss Remodeling. Now you can decide on the access level. Biggest thing here is you really want to practice your prompting. You can do it by having it analyze your data. You could build a dashboard, some custom views, something simplistic that you want to make sure you're not going to mess up anything in your system. All right. We already had a client that jumped in here prior to us getting a hold of them and talking through this process, and they erased their job status on every single job in their pipeline and had to go in manually redo it. I was playing with it on my phone and I was getting a little cocky, and I even messed up a couple of things. All right. So just take it slow, because you want to ease your way into this, and then boom, you're going to be off and running. So for me, I'm going to do read and write. I'm not going to delete for now, just in case. We don't want to mess up your system and all of the data that you have spent so much time making sure that's organized and clean. So I'm going to do read and write. I'm going to understand, and then I'm going to grant access. Boom. Now we're connected. All right. So now what we're looking at, let's pull up our other accounts here. Here we go. Now, when we look at our chats here, this is the biggest thing. For me, I always do work on a project in my Google Drive, because we'll put in call transcripts, we'll put in other documentations that's important. So now I can audit your JobTread system, anything in Google Drive as well. To do this, you just download the Google Drive application on your computer, then always select that as the folder that you want to work inside of. Now, whenever you want to call out your MCP, I would do this, all right? Let's say use the JobTread MCP for Better Boss Remodeling 3 and tell me what dashboard we could build using a focus on finances and work in progress jobs, whatever it might be. Right now, that's a half what prompt, but I just want to showcase what is possible and what it looks like to be using that MCP. All right. Now, while this is thinking for a second here, I'm going to go in and I'm going to show you guys this. So I'm going to put this in the description of the video, but basically we built you out a prompt Bible for JobTread. All right. And so now you can see here we have some daily commands. We even have it by easy, medium, and power, right? We have daily commands, sales and pipeline. We have project ops and schedules. We have financial and cash flow. Like, we got some good ones. Customer 360, which is like a skill we were working on. Vendor intelligence, dashboards and views, workflows and automations, data hygiene and audits, build and create, power user. So we got some pretty cool ones, and all you have to do is just hit copy this prompt and then put it directly into your AI account. So you can see here, it pulled up. We have multiple MCPs. We're going to hit deny on this one because that's not the right one. If you have multiple orgs, you just want to make sure that you're doing that right. Now you can see we have this. All right. So now whenever you see that JobTread account like this, you can see, or the logo, that means that it's actually speaking with that MCP and working with that. Okay. So end of the day, now when you're looking at this JobTread account here with the Better Boss remodeling, you can see I have all these different dashboards. If you do it right, you can get to the point where it can actually build out these dashboards for you. I was on a podcast with Eric Fortenberry, the CEO of JobTread, and I was speaking with him and actually built out this dashboard while I was talking to him during the podcast, and I was just prompting my AI to do so, right? So you can see it found the org ID. Now it's doing queries, and it's actually looking through. Now, if I kept going, it's a little bit of a process, right? It's going to take some time. It will actually build out those dashboards for you guys. And biggest thing here I want to say, though, is just remember, you need to make sure that you're focusing on process and systemizing your business, right? And then at that point, once you feel good and confident with your AI setup, your MCP connector, you can start to roll it out and create rinse and repeat processes for people to be able to use this on their day-to-day, where they can literally just speak to their AI tool, especially if they're out in the field, and it's going to update their system, grab information that they need, you name it. All right. So now you can see it's deciding on what dashboard to actually build. It's going to take some time, so I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time here in terms of it, what it actually makes, but you can see for yourself. This was one that I did directly with Eric Waz on the podcast, and I give it some half, you know what, prompt. But it just kind of showcases the ability here, guys. So make sure you're getting your hands dirty, making sure that you're focusing on using AI as a part of your process. Check out that prompt Bible. If you have any questions, feel free to hit us up. It's better-boss.ai. You can schedule a free growth audit. We're including the setup of the MCPs and all of our new implementations moving forward. We really want to make sure we get this in your hands. We get you guys trained on how to utilize it safely. Also, too, if you want to see any videos, comment on the YouTube videos that you are watching, saying, hey, this is what I want to see, and we'll make that content for you guys. So we're here to help. Remember, better starts now. All right, guys. Subscribe, share. Thank you guys so much. Win the day.